Oh, why, hello, it's me, Mr. Sasaki, and, by popular request, Twinkle Twinkle on the D string. Here we go. So, this is the version you will play if you're doing orchestra with other strings, so violin, viola, cello, and bass, and also essential elements in other method books, okay, meant for orchestra. So here we go. Okay, so how do we put it all together? First, we need our bow hold, okay? We also need to know our strings, right? So this version, we're going to be playing the two middle strings in the violin or the two upper strings on viola, all right? So in this case, we're going to be doing third string, second string, second string. So D, D, A, A, okay? Let's play that. First finger on the A string. 1, 1, A. So it's going to be D, D, A, 1, 1, A. Good. We have to get our fingers ready on the D string. 1, 2, and 3. It's going to be space, space, close, whole step, half step. Okay? 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, D. Okay, let's put that all together. That's the A section of Twinkle, the first part. So, D, D, A, 1, 1, A. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, D. Here we go. Okay, Twinkle has two distinct parts. That was part A. Let's learn part B. All right? So part B is A, and then on the D string, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Okay? Let's do that. Let's do it again, but in echo. So A, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Let's put B section all together. A, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. A, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Don't forget about the echo. Here it is. Okay, let's put it all together from the A section and the B section now. So, D, D, A, 1, 1, A. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, D. A, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Echo. A, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Let's do that, okay? Okay. The great thing about Twinkle is we have another section, but it's the same as the beginning. So we have an A, B, and A Twinkle sandwich. All right? So, got to hear me sing this again, and it's good for you to sing too. So, D, D, A, 1, 1, A. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, D. A, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, echo. A, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, loud. D, D, A, 1, 1, A. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, D. All right, let's put it all together from A, B, A, twinkle sandwich. I will lead you through it. Ready, A. Ready, D. A. 1. A. 3. 2. 1. D. A. 3. 2. 1. Echo. A. 3. 2. 1. Loud. D. A. 1. A. 3. 2. 1. D. All right. There it is. Twinkle Twinkle on the D and A string. Let me know if this helps. Maybe we can do some variations next time.